So, uh, welcome to the world of Excel skills. So, this is my name of the channel, and myself, Aditya Roshan, and I'm a railway structure engineer. I'm ex-railway structure engineer, and I have 3+ years of experience. Now, in today's session, we will be actually seeing about the overview of the course, whatever things I will be teaching you in the coming 30 days. So, for this, you should have the softwares like you should have AutoCAD, CAD Pro, and MS Excel. That MS Excel is like inbuilt in your system. And AutoCAD, I will be teaching you the structural part. In Stat Pro, Select Series 6 will be the software. How to download and from where it should be downloaded and installed, everything I will be guiding you through the videos I have on my channel. All right. So now I will be giving you the overview of the course. What is like step by step. Now first, it's like I will be starting with modeling. So modeling means how to model in StatPro. There is a particular way or methodology that one should do the modeling in StatPro. So till now I have worked over hundreds of projects in that. The best way to model a structure I will be telling you. And instead of doing a lot of experiments, you should directly follow that step. So any consultancy in India are or all over the world also, they are using the same methodology. Yes, StatPro is now the outdated software, but the process or the method of learning will help you whether you go it in any other software. Now, in assigning loads, I will be telling you how to calculate the loads, how other calculation aspects are seen, what are the things that you should know on beforehand while calculating the dead load, live load, and earthquake load. So we will not be dealing much about the wind load thing, but we will be understanding the logic behind that why wind load is not required. And definitely you will be able to, okay, Saraswati is here, fine. So yeah, you will be able to understand how the dead load is calculated, how the wind load is calculated, sorry, earthquake load is calculated, and how live load is calculated. Plus, with that, you will be able to understand the load combination of each and everything from the code book IS 456. Okay, then we will move to the analysis part. It is like you have to understand where the column or beam is failing and what to do if it is behaving like that. Okay, if it is failing like that, and what is the methodology to get to know whether your structure is capable of taking the assumed load or calculated load or not. Okay, then we'll move to the design, like after analysis, once it is completely done, we will go for the design means you have to go for the providing the reinforcement and size of the structural members. So structural members will be like a beam, column, footing, slabs, etc. And how to detail those things in depth and in detail, we will be discussing that in detailing. So uh, you are all now going to be a structural engineer, and you are going to approach any consultancy, so they won't be putting you directly on the design thing. They will be first, uh, they actually want to know from you how much you know about the detailing work that is done in the AutoCAD software. So before detailing, you should know how to like up to their design procedure, how you should design any structure. Okay, here we will be dealing only about the residential buildings in our projects. Those are two projects. And basically detailing is also followed by codebook, that is SP32, SP34. This is the codebook from which we actually do the detailing. Not only this, we actually follow the ductile detailing of all the structures. That is also one another codebook. I will be dealing that in detail in the coming classes. Then finally we'll go for the foundation, but after this also there is one more member left. So in the foundation also, you will be doing the manual calculations and the design. You will not be using any other software apart from MS Excel, and I will be teaching you how you can work in MS Excel while doing this detailing. And it is a very important aspect of civil engineer that you must know MS Excel a bit. Okay. Then after this, let's proceed to our next slide. So after this, we will be dealing about the extra, that is the secondary structure. We call it as staircase. Okay, this is a secondary structure. We don't consider the load of the beam, load on the beam of the staircase. Rather, we actually design it apart from that, and staircase is designed separately. And objective of this course is like you should learn these two structures, okay, plus 4 and plus 1 building, that is the residential building design. Okay, so now here rules are nothing but the codes that you must follow, and these are the code books, are the codal provisions. You must have it in with you, like IS 456 875 part 1 part 2. Okay, now part 3 is for the like wind load, but in the load combination that you must have studied in your college days, like we don't consider wind load if we are analyzing the structure with the seismic one up to some level, unless and until it is said you should not do it. Okay, and if you are working in any small consultancy, you will be able to understand that generally people won't be putting wind load because it becomes really uneconomical for the structure. Yes, and then we have this SP34, the code book. Yes, definitely for the detailing of the structure. This is very important. The next is like you should be given from my side. I will be providing you with the skills. Okay, and definitely these exercises, these are the projects that I will be giving you extra apart from what I have. Okay, I will be teaching you two projects. Apart from that, I will be giving you some extra projects, and if you want, I will be giving you all the Excel files that I have with me of all the design Excel files. So it is up to you. You have to ask. So all these things I will be teaching you and giving you to practice, and you can compare the results on yourself till the date you go for any interview. Okay, this is very important. No, after you should know that after completion of the course, you will be able to design on your own. Definitely, you will have a great amount of confidence that if a structure comes to you, if a architectural plan comes to you, you should be able to design or analyze that structure. That should be residential. Okay, yes, it's a job fetching course. Definitely, after this you are able to uh, question or answer the questions of the interviewer that will be asked from them, and it is also limited. The questions they are asking is also like apart, they won't ask apart from this. They consider you as a structural engineer, they will be considering some of the topics that you already don't know, but some of the topics you must know before um, going for the work. Then all yeah, you will be able to understand the structural drawing that is sent on the site. You will be able to read the drawings. Okay, this is more important. Okay, and you can produce these structural drawings as per the requirement of the client. I'm not saying as per requirement of the structure, as per requirement of the client. They will demand a different way, in a different way, everything. So this is it of the slide. And wait, I will show you all the things that I will be giving to you in this. So now, if you are able to see the screen, you just tell me.
Yes.
Okay, now you are able to see it. Fine. Yeah. So over here, so this is the first project that we will be doing. This is the plan of the first project. In that, I will be teaching you how to make this structural drawings completely from like start to end. All these are the structural drawings. How to prepare all these things after analyzing it in StatPro. Okay, and you have to do a lot of work to get through all these things. And this is the currently I'm doing this project under me in my hometown. Now this is the plan of the G+4 building design. And here for this, I've shown you the plan. In this G+4 building design, you will be getting the structural drawings like this. So you also have to do a lot of work in this. So like one, two, three, four, five, sixth time I got that matlab thing, the completion drawing, and I have sent it on the site. So column almost I have changed it around 4 times. The column side maximum I used, it was like 14 inches over here, 10 inch by 14 inches, and later on I produced it up to all the column size I have given it as 10 inches by 14 inches. So you can see over here, or on the site, like the contractor, they told me to increase it even further because they were having some different shuttering things. So accordingly, you have to give the reinforcement. And the ties I have given it in it is also according to the code book. All these things. Fine, guys. This is what I needed to explain to you in today's thing. And this is the pile foundation I've given over there for G plus 4. Yeah, you can see over here. This is the plan view of the pile, and this is the pile cap design. Sorry, this is the pile cap design, and this is the complete pile of 20 feet down. Fine. If you have questions from your side, you can ask now.
So this is basically a stat pro course
No, no,
in
no. It is not
which
like
we
it's a
will
project. It's a project based course. Yes. Hmm.
yes it is for stat pro mainly, but we will learn Excel and AutoCAD used for stat pro only.
You have to do the project. So if you want to do the project through StatPro, it's up to you. If you want to do it through eTabs, it's up to you. So software is just a medium to complete your task.
No sir, as you mentioned, it is a Excel and AutoCAD and stat pro course.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So we will doing mainly stat pro course, and we will using Excel and AutoCAD used for this stat pro for detailing and all that.
Yeah, you should be using MS Excel for design. You should be using MS Excel for calculations of the area of steel, and that's it for MS Excel. And AutoCAD is completely for detailing.
Okay, okay. First, basically it's mainly it's for stat pro course only, no sir?
Means you have to analyze and design the structure in StatPro. Only the beam and the column. That's it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes. Any more questions? You can ask. That's not a problem. Any question, any type of question you can ask from me. So I want to show you some of my projects also. Just a second.
Uh, Sir, is there any chance for changing timing, sir?
Tell me is the problem you are facing.
Eh, Maybe timings అంటే
Ante chappo.
some sir. You understand Hindi, sir?
Yeah, I can understand Hindi.
हाँ सर, वही मतलब वही
हाँ.
बच्चों को घर गए तक लेट हो रहा है, तो वही बोल रहा था एक बच्चा
अच्छा
7 को
बच्चा.
ऐसा मैं
ओके.
हाँ 7:30 को घर पहुंचूंगा तो मैं कैसे अटेंड करूंगा बोलते हैं।
अच्छा
तो
ठीक है.
मैं
तो
टाइमिंग
8 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock is are everyone ready with that? 8 to 9.
हाँ मैं पूछ कर बोल देता सर, संगवी को इन्फॉर्म कर देता।
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. बाकी लोग भी तो एग्री करने चाहिए ना. ऐसा है.
हाँ
खैर
नहीं
ठीक है.
कोई उन्होंने
हम्म. ओके.
उन्होंने से मैं कभी भी रेडी है सर, मगर वो
हम्म.
सबके वास्ते
ठीक है.
मैं
ओके.
इन्फॉर्म करें, संगवी को इन्फॉर्म करें। सर मैं ये पूछना था, ये
हाँ हाँ
अब कोर्स में मेंशन कर रहे थे स्टैट प्रो एक्सेल एंड ऑटोकैड बोलकर,
हाँ हाँ.
तो अब एक्सेल ऑटोकैड स्टैट के जो डिटेल्स है वो एंटर करने के वास्ते यूज होता है, या फिर वो अलग कोर्स कराते हैं इसमें बोलकर?
नहीं नहीं, अलग नहीं कुछ होगा. सब कुछ इसी में है, सब कुछ इसी में है.
हाँ तो मेन स्टैट प्रो कवर करने के लिए जो यूज होता है एक्सेल ऑटोकैड वो हो रहा है।
स्टैट प्रो कवर करने के लिए एक्सेल और ऑटोकैड यूज हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. अ, मतलब हमको समझ में तो नहीं आ रहा है, बट हाँ ऐसा कुछ कुछ है.
नहीं मतलब स्टैट प्रो के डिटेल्स एंटर करने या फिर डिटेलिंग करने के वास्ते।
अच्छा. ओके ओके. नहीं नहीं,
हाँ
सब चीज हम लोग स्टैट प्रो से नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग देखो स्लैब का डिजाइन. ओके गाइस, एवरीवन नोज हियर हिंदी.
सर, यू कैन टेल इन इंग्लिश सर। ओके।
Okay, all right, thank you. So here we will be doing the manual design of slab as well as the footing manually. So that you can use take the help of MS Excel, but you have to write down from with a pen and a paper. Take pen paper and then write down and solve it completely, start to end. I will be giving you the steps. So those two things you have to design it in MS Excel completely. But beam and column you have to design it in StatPro. And beam and column already know that in that there are various methods to do that, right? So in that perspective, I'm saying that you can use StatPro. That you don't have to take care of any method. Automatically, software will do it. Hmm.
ओके सर।
Yeah. So what's your name? Fatin.
Muhammad Fatin. Muhammad Fatin.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, any more questions from anyone? You can keep on asking. I will be showing you many other things. So are you all able to see now the MS Excel file?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the MS Excel file for one-way slab design. That is actually I have made it after so much of attempt. So you should. What this yellow mark means. These values are to be changed. This is what you can change over here. Rest is all like design will be provided to you. Likewise, I have MS Excel sheet for staircase and most of the things. But like if you will ask me this file, then I will give you. Otherwise, I won't. If you will ask, then only I'll give.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Mm,
Yeah. What else? Uh, you want to ask? You can ask us. So, what is there running in your mind, guys? It seems like nothing is running.
तो कल से स्टार्ट कर देंगे सर आप.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be starting it in like first we will study the rules of column placement, and then we are going to place the columns in different plans. We'll practice that.
अभी इनको इन्फॉर्म मतलब अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे अभी क्लास के बच्चे ऐसा आपके इसका है प्रोग्राम का.
Okay. Okay. हाँ.
तो कोई बात कर संजमी को इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे हम लोग.
हाँ ठीक है. No
अच्छा.
problem. Hmm. That's all right. All right. So
सर वो
everyone here
टॉस
knows Hindi. Like सबको हिंदी comfortable है.
नहीं सर दूसरों को नहीं है शायद.
Okay.
तो
Okay.
नरेंद्र को
Okay. ठीक है.
तेलुगु
Okay.
आता सर
नरेंद्र.
हमको.
अच्छा. No, I will use English rather
ओके
preferably.
सर.
Hmm. Yes. So have you learned StatBro ever? Any of you?
नो सर ई टैप्स आई हैव डन.
Okay, okay, you have done ETABS. So in ETABS, what you have learned?
सर बेस लोड्स अप्लाइंग एंड अर्थक्वेक लोड्स विंड लोड्स नहीं करा सर बाकी के मतलब यूडेमी से करा सर मैं.
Udemy, sir. Okay, okay. Udemy, what type of things they were teaching there?
सर मतलब कोर्स था अच्छा है मतलब फुल टॉपिक्स तो दिए थे अच्छे उतने कवर करे थे मगर एक ही प्रोजेक्ट करा है सर उसमें.
Acha, that too with foundation or without foundation?
फाउंडेशन यस विद फाउंडेशन.
Okay, okay, okay. Just a second. Just give me a second.
ओके.
Yeah, okay. Uh, so with foundation, what till G plus? What was the height of the building?
G+2.
G plus two means 3 floors, right? So what type of foundations they were using?
सर मतलब वो हिंज करके मतलब खाली वो फिक्स करना है हिंज वैसा है बताइए सर वो डिटेल का फाउंडेशन नहीं नहीं यूज करे सर.
अच्छा.
मतलब टाइप ऑफ सपोर्ट सपोर्ट का यूज करके बताए थे.
ओके, ओके. फाइन, फाइन, फाइन. मतलब वो लोग सपोर्ट खाली लगा दिए थे और फाइनल. अच्छा ईटैब्स में तो बट ओके इन ईटैब्स देयर इज नो मेथड
फाउंडेशन
टू.
का तो नहीं था.
हम्म.
तो वो खाली सपोर्ट का बताए थे सर.
अच्छा सिर्फ सपोर्ट का ओके ओके हाँ because in ETABS there is no procedure to design for the foundation. You have to take help from any other software.
Sir. So
Yeah. So that was the thing. Okay. So
that
how
means
many? Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
स्टैट प्रो में फाउंडेशन के साथ है शायद सर.
Stat. अच्छा, you have learned Stat Pro also. Okay. Did you hear me just now? Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
So first we'll go through G+1 design, sir.
Yeah. First, you should learn from basics that G+1 building design, and then I will make you learn from other things.
हाँ सर कुछ बोल रहे थे आप. नेटवर्क
You were
प्रॉब्लम आ
saying
रहा.
something, so it got cut in between. You have learned
No
Stat
sir.
Pro also. You were saying something like this.
No, no sir, no sir. Only tabs.
Only
AutoCAD
ETABS.
tabs.
Okay, AutoCAD and ETABS. Fine, fine.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to show you some of my small projects, not large one. Just
Okay.
yeah, I'm finding that. Searching for it. Okay, okay, fine. So have you ever analyzed the structure with this thing, MS Excel, or using the structural analysis process or matrix method?
No sir. Just in BTech, few basic things regarding Excel.
As a few basic things regarding Excel you have worked in BTech. Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, here have you ever used equal to in MS Excel?
Equal to yes.
Equal to is used for what?
फंक्शन अप्लाई करने के लिए.
हाँ मतलब फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह लिखने के लिए है ना. ओके.
हाँ सर.
ठीक ठीक ठीक. ओके ओके फाइन.
मतलब
सो
अभी
दिस
हमें एमटेक में कर रहा सर न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस बोलकर.
अच्छा हाँ तो it is there in MTech studies are there like that, but you should know how to
Yes.
apply it also.
Yes.
Nowadays nobody does the matrix method, so big matrices and they are going to multiply those things. Not possible to that.
हाँ मतलब मैट्रिक्स का ही चल रहा सर अभी. वो गॉस जॉर्डन वो ऐसे जो भी
Hmm.
मैट्रिक्स मेथड्स है ना वो
Hmm.
स्टार्ट करे अभी कॉलेज में.
Yeah, so fine. Yes, this is over here. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm going to share my screen. So this is one project of residential plan. Now currently I'm doing it. I'm not completed yet. So this is the architectural part that I have done. So these are the G plus 1 plus 2. That's it. So G plus 1, G plus 2 is the structure, and this is the front elevation of it. Now I think so. Now it is visible to you.
यस सर.
Yeah, like the screen is coming slow now. That is the reason. Fine. So now it is visible. So this is G plus 1 plus 2, and this is the rooftop. So here you have the structure in front of you. There's the three floors and overhead. Oh, over on the top you can see the headroom. So this is how the sectional drawings look like. But in most of the cases, you will be only given with the what I should say only given with the floor plans. You will not be provided with the sections, and all the details of it will be given to you by verbal. I mean to say by verbal messages. Okay, they won't be even giving you through this is the height and this architectures. They won't be providing you with the full details. If you're working in a company, they will be giving you, otherwise they are not. Okay, if you're working like as a freelancer also. So currently I'm working as a freelancer and I'm taking up projects from my side. Till now I have completed around 7 projects in my hometown, and all are them like successfully running currently. So a simple question from my side to you guys. Now, can you tell me, this is the last question from my side. Can you tell me, when we design a building, for how many years it should be designed for?
Designing, sir.
Yeah, how many years the building should withstand the required condition? Minimum.
20, 30 years, 20 to
Yeah,
30.
right. Yeah, in practical scenario, it is 30 years, 20 to 30 years. But in the actual scenario, or in the according to the code books, you should design it for 50 years.
Okay.
So you're now able to see the column layout of that structural plans. I mean to say that drawings of it. So till now I have done up to here, but I should change it accordingly if the requirement is there from the client side. So this is how you should go with the drawings to the client. And the drawings I'm showing to you here, over here in this, the drawings I'm showing to you over here. So first you have to submit this drawing, then you have to submit the column thing separately like this. Okay, so every time you will be facing some trouble while designing. If the architecture gives you the wrong plan, then you will be in trouble placing the column at the wrong location. So for that, you should have the knowledge how to recorrect it or how to change that if that situation occurs. Well, fine. That is very in-depth discussion for the day one. It's not like good to discuss in depth that much. So myself, I'm Aditya Roshan. So I have been an ex-railway employee. Now I have left that job and willing to work in this sector for more years. So whatever help you want, you can take from me. I have a lot of projects with me done already. So apart from this, I will be giving you a lot of other things also, like not only the structural work, or not only the, I mean to say, MS Excel files. I have a lot of other codebook knowledge also. So I will be putting up into this course. So guys, all the best. So from tomorrow, 8 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock, everyone is fine.
No, sir, I will discuss and I will inform, sir.
Fine. You are going to discuss with everyone?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay then. So yeah, so whatever the timing is there, but keep it in the evening. Okay, Fatin.
Yes, sir. What, sir?
I'm saying that keep the timing in the evening.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we will be free in evening only, sir. We will. At morning, we are at college, sir.
Sure.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
We'll
Yeah,
inform
fine.
you all. Okay.
Okay, fine. You discuss, you make your proper schedule ready with you, and then you can connect with me through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I hope like you have liked the session, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. As you have seen it, I have shared it in the group. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, others are like they are not any saying anything. Yes, Sangavi, you can speak up. Okay, I hope your mic is not working properly or something. I'm not able to hear you. Well, okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
thank you.
Okay, thank you.